My name's Landon. I started RedSide Custom Tools to address gaps in the high-end mountain biking maintenance market. And I always thought it was weird because despite the great deal of engineering that goes into the bikes themselves, there's really little to no engineering in the tools that service those bikes. My company is here to change that. We created the rotor protector, so you never have to bend your rotor ever again. For those who use a roof rack or transport their bike inside their car, it's extremely easy to accumulate bends and scratches all over your rotor from leaving it to freely move about surrounded by bins and gear inside your car. My company also created the seal remover, so you never have to wrestle a wrench trying to service your fork ever again. The standard practice of removing the brush wiper seals is by prying them out with a small car tire lever or a taped wrench. When using a hard tool such as this, scratching the internal walls or components is almost guaranteed and will often ruin the fork during your 50-hour service. At RedSide Custom Tools, we specialize in making high-quality, custom design parts, tools, and equipment to make every mountain biker's life easier.